Hi there. Since my channel is mostly focused on NoCode, I decided to make some news about NoCode for July. And one big thing that caught my eye is a game that was released by EeOneGuy. He made a game using Buildbox and he was able to get over 40,000 reviews on Google Play. And if we check the downloads, there's over 500,000 downloads. And that's the most that I've seen recently. So that's really good for a game that is made by Buildbox. I'm pretty sure the reason behind these high numbers is because he's a YouTuber and he has a lot of subscribers. He has over 16 million subscribers, but he didn't stop there. He released another game, and this game was published recently to the Android store. It already has over 3,000 ratings and over 10,000 downloads. So we'll have to wait and see if this game is going to get over 1 million downloads. If you haven't tried those games out, try them out and let us know what you think about it in the comments. Also, the second game is on Apple and you can try it out on your Apple device if you want. It already has over 2,500 ratings. So if you have an iPhone, you can also try out one of the games. Tell me what you guys think about the games. Also, I mentioned that both of these games are made on Buildbox, and Buildbox is having a game jam right now. It's a 72-hour game jam, so if you want to try making a game, there is still time to make one. And you can find lots of tutorials on Buildbox on my channel. Currently, I'm focusing on Bold on my channel. And if you need more time to create your game, there is another game jam that is coming up, and it's Bracky's game jam. That one's gonna start in 5 hours, as you can see it here. And it's a week game jam, so you get more time to create your game. So let me know in the comments if you're participating in any of these game jams. And also, if you completed the game jam, leave a link in the comment so that anyone that is interested can check your game out. So thanks for watching. If you guys interested in me doing this kind of no code news thing, click on the like button of the video and I will see you in the next video.